Hi, my name is Dr. Meier from Third Coast Foot and Ankle, and I want to talk to you about whether or not surgery is necessary for a Morton's neuroma. Now, Morton's neuroma are a swelling of the nerve, and sometimes it's better to think about it as almost like scar tissue building up inside a nerve right in the ball of your foot. So in just a tricky little space that can cause a lot of pain. Now, there are a lot of conservative therapies to treat neuromas, and therefore we do not need to do surgery very often, but there are times when we do turn to surgery as a necessary option. What the surgery entails is removing that swollen piece of nerve. If we remove a nerve, that does mean that we will lose sensation to a small area of our foot, typically just like a small piece of your toe or a small little strip underneath the toe. Most people don't notice it long term. Initially, immediately after the procedure, you'll notice some patchy numbness, but that tends to resolve. The surgery is relatively simple, but it does come with complications. Like all surgery does, there's always that risk of infection or post-op complications. One common complication after this is something called a stump neuroma, that where we cut the nerve to remove it, it grows another neuroma. Now, those are not always painful, but they can become painful and hard to treat afterwards. And therefore, just like any other situation, we do try to avoid surgery when possible. Luckily, there are plenty of options here at Third Coast Foot and Ankle. We do a very thorough discussion with you about shoe changes and also orthotics that can help with this. There's also alternative treatments like shockwave therapy, laser treatments, and even PRP injections can sometimes be beneficial for these nerves. So if you've been struggling with a neuroma and you're contemplating surgery but still have more questions, please reach out to us here at Third Coast Foot and Ankle. We'd be happy to walk you through that process and get you through this journey. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and share. That helps us out immensely. Thank you.